Y'all, this morning started off rough. You hear me? I'm talking about rough. But I'm here. I made it. Now let's get into this hair. If you have itchies like these, and baby, you in the right place because it's snowing over here. I slept with a bonnet. I've had these braids for about a week. I love them because I've been getting it in the gym, working out, going crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like, just getting it. But the scalp, So I want to show you guys my products and how I use them on my braids. Protective Styles by Angela. I did a collaboration with Cantu, and I wanted to create a product line for the braid girlies, the lock girlies and guys, the kids, the mamas, the families, all the things. These products are amazing, especially for moments like this. And I'm just gonna show you my quick routine. Ready? So first, get into the gel and the oil. There we go. My name is on the bottle. Name is on the bottle. It's in small print, but it's there, okay? So that's how you know it's my collection. And I just never really saw products that were for braids, locks, wigs, and weaves on the market until us. I was like, let me talk to Cantu about creating a collection, and I can do a separate video on that, but this one is really to get me out the door real quick, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use these daily oil drops. These daily oil drops are really bomb because it's a blend of oil. Safflower seed oil, I should know this because I created the oil. That's so crazy. It's safflower seed oil, grapeseed oil, tea tree oil, aloe, rosemary. So all these things are great for scalp care. I've been doing sauna workouts, getting it in, sweating, but my scalp will still get crazy on me. And I haven't really been using the oil daily like I should. So this is my little braid refresh. Let's go. I'm putting the oil all through my scalp. You don't want to put too much because you don't want to run it down your forehead. But you want to get it in there saturated because that's going to help clear up any dry scalp that you have. One thing about me is I want something easy, okay? So I said, let me let her braid up the whole thing so I don't have any excuses when it comes to these workouts. Because I just been feeling like skinny fat. I feel like once you get over 35, that body just don't sit the same. It really don't, baby or not. It's just gravity start coming down on you. And it's just not the same. Ooh, that feels so good. Stimulating my scalp. Gel. This gel, you guys, it's really, I would like to call it everything gel. We talked about potentially changing the name at some point because braid and twist gel just doesn't really do it justice. But it was initially made for you to be able to like do like braids like this, box braids, cornrows, for you to be able to twist your locks. It gives you a really good hold without the buildup. But it's honestly bomb for ponytails. It's great for like styling kids' hair. And it's great for edges too. Like not for real, like you're not gonna get no heavy hold like that. I'm not even gonna hold you. Did you get it? I'm not gonna hold you, but it will do what it needs to do for that day. And I always like to make the analogy of like, this gel is like a really good house guest where it'll come in, it'll make itself comfortable, you know, do what it gotta do, and then it's gonna leave and like, you won't even notice that they were ever there because the gel literally disappears. So if you more so care about a more temporary hold with no buildup, this gonna be that gel for you. 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 I'm telling you. Now let's hit him with a little swoop-de-whoop. I don't really have a bunch of baby hairs like that. I'm not even gonna front. But I got a little something. I was like, braid up everything, bro, because what we not about to do is have no curls just snapping and popping outside of my braids. Because honestly, a lot of times when you're getting breakage on your edges, it's probably from the product you're using. So what I'm happy to report is this is a breakage-free zone over here with this gel. And it definitely will make it do what it do. It's going to give you a day, probably like 8-9 hours type of hold. And then your hair is just going to be soft. and hydrating. Next, boom. This right here, you guys, is called Set and Refresh Foam. It has apple cider vinegar, aloe vera, all the things. And I'm just going to spray this right on my braids. Because what that apple cider vinegar in there is going to do is going to help get all of that dryness and dandruff and clear everything out. Just clear it on up. And I'm just going to pour it all the way on my hair like that. Pour it on that too. Everything. Smooth around the front. Now we're going to add my ponytail. She look a little shabby right now, but stay with me. Stay with me, okay? First, this right here, you guys, has won awards. Awards. I'm not lying to you guys. This one, Who What Wears Best Hair Fragrance for 2024. Awards, baby. So this is the product you want to keep with you when you travel. This is the product you want to keep with you if you wear wigs. You want to spray it inside of your wig. I hit it up in there because she been going to the sauna with me, okay? That's why she look like this. She been living a full life out here. So I'm going to spray her down. And what this does is it deodorizes your hair. When you're in between washes, you're in between like getting it cleansed and refreshed again, baby. Then I'm going to use my foam because this is actually wavy, believe it or not. I've been wrapping this hair up in a bun and just living my life, so the curl pattern has gone. And if you have wavy or curly hair, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. But what I'm going to do is foam her down. And you don't need a lot. A couple of pumps is going to spread out. This foam is super lightweight. It's not going to leave like a crunchy hole. It's honestly just going to kind of help give definition. And that's it. That's all. This ponytail is something that has been in the making for me for, I want to say, at least like 6 or 7 years. And I made different designs of it. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted a post and I showed like one of the older designs. But I basically was trying to figure out how to make something similar to a wraparound ponytail. Like when you wrap tracks around the base of the hair, start from down here and you just wrap. And it gives it like a super like, this my hair type of vibe. But I wanted it to be quick and easy. Look at that, get into that wave. Ooh, yes. But I wanted it to be quick and easy like a drawstring ponytail. But the problem with drawstring ponytails is that they look a little bulky at the base. And so depending on the style, sometimes that looks cute. Like if you want for more of a retro, like full body ponytail. But if you're going for like a, this my hair type of look, it just doesn't give. So this is the best of both worlds. You literally slide it up. Your hair goes inside of here. And then you pull this drawstring to tighten it up. And then you wrap the rest of this hair around the base. I'm about to show you actually. So this is my ponytail. Slide her up. See? And so it gives, slide her up. So it gives full coverage, which makes it a protective style, which is also something that I didn't love about a lot of the ponytails on the market. So now I'm just tightening this up around the base. And you guys can get this from my hair extension site called Cantu Beauty. So I relaunched my hair extensions and brought everything back, redesigned a bunch of stuff. And she turned Puerto Rican real quick. You see what this is giving? Fluffy waves. Okay, let me keep wrapping. And my best advice with this is to wrap at the top and then start to come down, because you're gonna need a hairpin, but you want to make sure you cover your tracks. And then I'm gonna just take a little hairpin, pin her down. She's secure. It's giving. Oh, it smells so. First of all, my ponytail smells like life. It smells like the freshest flower garden. Oh my God. I'm just gonna add a little bit more, and you could scrunch, you know. Look at the texture, it just came back. I've literally only been here for like 5 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna let my ponytail dry and I'm gonna go beat my face and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I love this hairstyle so much. Get into these braids. Back fresh, no dandruff, no flaking, giving a little baby hair moment. You see it. If you're wondering why I have this hairstyle in the middle of dead ass winter, it's because I got goals. Mother has goals we're trying to accomplish, okay? And so I was like, let me figure out a hairstyle that is literally no excuses to go to the gym and then still do life, you know? Like, I love a silk press. It's definitely silk press season. It's definitely sewing with a little leave out season, but I'm not gonna be cute trying to sweat in the sauna, go running, hiking, whatever, and then still be running around. So I decided to do this, and this is the ponytail. She came right back to life. Back to life. But actually, this ponytail comes in 2 other textures. So if this might not be your vibe, I got you. This one is Strength. And I custom color all of these. If you want to get the custom color add-on, you could definitely totally stay brown. But if you want to get a custom color add-on, baby, this one is called Power. And this is a lighter custom color option. So I have 3 color options. I have golden. I have this one, which is toffee. And this is toffee. And then I have a 3rd one that is more of a red, like a reddish brown kind of ginger vibe. But yeah, this is the look, you guys. Make sure you grab my products, Protective Styles by Angela. I'm gonna tag the link below. These products are available at Amazon, Target, Walmart, Sally's, CVS. I'm so proud of the collection. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If I can get 10,000 followers within this next month, I'm gonna do a big giveaway on ponytails and on the whole collection from Protective Styles by Angela. So get into it, share with a friend. This hairstyle, 10 out of 10, does not disappoint at all, period. Bye.